welcome to my cooking video. Today, I will show you how to make an easy, high protein breakfast. Yeah. Scoop of oats, 1 scoop of protein powder, vanilla flavor. And milk. And then you mix. So, here it is. Sa mga nagsasabing sunog, hindi po siya sunog. Haters ka lang. You want my recipe? Comment down below. This is the reason why I don't make OnlyFans. Because I'm good at this. I'm good at cooking. Bro. Shout out to my gym bro. Shout out sa lahat ng gym bro dyan. Gym bro, gym girly, shout out sa inyo.